We're going to start a text-based language. I'm assuming you all have Scratch or have had Scratch and understand at least a good amount about it. And in fact, if you remember when we finished Scratch, we mentioned these 7 areas that the language had. And the Python will have the same thing, and that will be kind of the way we'll go about this. But okay, we first have to execute or bring up the Python itself. Now I'm on a Mac, and the PC will work a little bit differently at first. So you find IDLE, which you can see here. I click on it. On my case, I get something that looks like this. Yours might not. That's okay. Go up to where you start seeing this idle file, this stuff, and find preferences. On a PC, you go to options, and there'll be configure idle. And so, but once you do this, you'll get the same thing. You'll get this thing here. So let's take a look at this. Okay, now I've got the size set pretty large, mainly for the video. Important to get the 4 here, but I want you to go to General, and rather than open in the shell, I want you to open on the Edit window, which I have already clicked, and also Show Line Numbers in New Windows. This is a new feature for idle. People have been screaming about it for years. And so when you do that, you hit Apply and OK, and then you're back, and you should be in something that looks like this. Now, what we're going to do is just type what I type, and we'll see what happens. So I do import, I-M-P-O-R-T, turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E, as T. And notice I didn't type it right, M-P-O-R-T. And notice that the coloring. The color indicates that these are commands and specific commands that work with Python. And we come down here, and I'm going to do me equals T dot capital T for turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E. All right, and I'm going to do a space. Now, what's going on here? There's a whole library that's attached to the Python area, and it's called Turtle. And it's, think of a little turtle that has a pen in its belly and it draws. And we're going to, instead of typing turtle all the time, we're going to call it T. And when we do T dot, it then refers to some of the library, somebody in the library. And that library, one of the big ones, sub-library I guess you could call it, is turtle with a capital T. Now it's just the way it is. And if you put small t, it won't work. And if you actually now run this script, and the way you run these scripts is hit the function key number 5. Now on my Mac, I have to go hold the function key down and then 5, and then it says must be saved. Okay, now this is important. We save it, and we have a little formula for saving it. You put your name, last name. I'm going to do Noble, and then I'm going to do EXP, that's for explore, and then turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E, and this will be the first one, and then .py. Py means it's a Python file. So you'll substitute your name here, and it will actually save it in documents, or we might actually give you another place to store it. But right now, just do documents, and you'll be ahead of the game. And we save it, and see what happens. All of a sudden, we get some words here that should say 3.8.1, so forth. And this little thing in the middle is a turtle, and it's just there, and this is the canvas that the turtle is going to run on. The 0, 0 point is here. X moves this way. Y moves this way. And you'll see sort of what the dimensions are in a minute, because we click on that. Now, by the way, on PCs, you click on the X, get rid of this one, and we now are going to do something with it. Let's do me.forward 150, and this means that it will move forward 150 pixels. Well, let's see if it does. We'll run. It says save again. You always have to save it. And there we go. We have made it go, and it's still pointing to the right. That's the default. You can control all of these things. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is get back to the script that we had. And now let's go left. me.left 90 and parentheses. Now you're going to notice that what's happening is we have made this me object. And in order to, but it has access to all these stuff inside Turtle, and there's all kinds of things, and I'll show you later how to look at all of them if you want. And anyway, one of them is forward, and the other one's left, and there's right, and so forth and so on. So if we actually do this, I'll copy this. I have Command C or Control C. Now I've got those two. I do it here, do it once more, once more, once more. Let's run that. F5 key, save. And notice we get a nice square and we're right back where we were. Now, this is pretty simple, I understand that, but I want you to know how this all works. If you can get this far, then you know your system's working. Now, this is kind of silly to do it this way. And in fact, what we really want to do is let's erase this part. And let's start right here. Maybe do a space down. We're going to do for I in range 4. And a colon. Okay. And if I hit return, you notice that the cursor is now spaced 4 spaces in. And in fact, I want this under there, so I'm going to hit this here and just hit tab. And I can erase this, so I might as well. Now, what this means, anything will be in this loop, and it will go from I equals 0 to 1, then 2, then 3, and that's it. It never gets to 4. That's just the way it works. But we're not using I. It's just a dummy thing. We just want to make a square. So this should work, right? So let's hit our function key 5 and do it again. Boom, 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 and we get our square again. Okay. Now I want you to just sort of stop now and make sure you can do this, and then we'll do something different for the next speed. And by the way, if you do all this, you picked up 10 points.